Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a table and insert a table and then format it. So how can I insert a table in Microsoft Word document and format it? So in my Word document that I have opened, you can see this table. So I am going to create a similar one, and in order to do so, I'm going to click on the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then you'll find an option called Table. So I'm click here, and I'm going to take two columns and three rows. So, but as you can see, there are three columns in this table. So I'm going to add another column. So I put my cursor in this cell and right click here, and then insert. You'll find an option called insert, and then I'll insert a column. You can insert a column to the left or to the right. So it doesn't matter in this case because we haven't entered our data yet. So I'm going to click on insert columns to the right, and a new column has been created. So similar to this, I need to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 rows. Currently we have 3, so then I need to add 3 more rows. So I put my color in the last. I put my cursor in the last cell in the table, and right click on here, and then insert. This time I'm going to insert rows below. So below this rows, there's new row created. But you can also use your tab key in the keyboard to add a row in the table. Okay, and tab, 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 and so we now have 6 rows and 3 columns. Now what we do is to enter these data into this table. So I'm going to copy it, the column headings, and first select it and then paste over it, and then we have pasted successfully this data and then as the column headings, and then I will copy the rest of the data from this table and copy over here. So I'm going to select it first and then paste it over here, and then all data has been pasted, or we have copied it here. Okay, but as you can see, these rows, there's no space between the rows, so they look very consistent. So I'm going to select this, clicking on this plus sign, select this whole table and go to home tab. I'm already in the home tab, and you'll see a section called paragraph, and right after that there's a small icon here, this called paragraph setting. Click on here, and then you say in terms of spacing, before 0, after 0. So I'm gonna make it 6 so that I can have some space over here. So as you see, there's a space between these lines, so which makes it look better, right? So now I have inserted this table and entered the data. Now I'm going to work on some formatting stuff. If you click any part of this table, you can see these two options: table design and table layout. So let's click on the table design, and you'll find a lot of different built-in designs. So I'm going to select it and use one of the built-in design. So you can use these built-in designs, any one of them you choose. So I'm going to click on here. So you'll see this built-in design I have used, but I may not like this built-in design, so I will go to undo it, and that takes me back to the original table that I was working on. So now what I do is to go to, before I work on these borders, I go to table layout, where you can select the table and auto fit. So what auto fit does, click on auto fit contents. What auto fit does is to fit your text according to the size of the text. Since the text in this column are smaller, so it fits with this line. So then this auto fits makes it the column like smaller, and then bigger column for these two, because they have better and bigger. They have bigger text, right? So you may not like the auto fit option, so you can undo it, and you can manually adjust it according to your choice. Okay. So I'm going to put my cursor on this line, and it gives me a plus sign. So you can drag it over here, because I don't need this big space for this small text, right? And you can put your cursor over this line and drag it a little bit. Okay. So this is how you can customize this adjustment. Okay. So now you can use this alignment here. There's a lot of different options. So for example, if you can customize this column headings to the center. So this is called align center. So you can align the center, but I don't like it, so I go back to the left alignment. That looks better to me. So now we have learned auto fit and this alignment, and we are going to go back to the border. Okay, so in the table design tab, you'll see border. So you see all these horizontal and vertical lines. We don't need all of them. We just need the top border and the bottom border and a bottom border beneath the first column headings. Okay, these column headings. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to click here and choose no border. Click on no border, then there's no border, and then I'm going to go there again and use the top border. So click on the top border has been created, and they go there again, bottom border. Okay, so bottom border has been created. So in order to create another border beneath this column heading, you need to select it first and then go there and hit bottom border. So bottom border has been created for this first row. So this is how a professional table looks like, and you may adjust it according to your need, but you can select it and then you can come back to home tab. You can send it to the center. Okay, so I think it's already in the center. It's centered. It's centered. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. If you like my channel and in the tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.